Everybody, Jiggy Time Gal, welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial, we're going to be teaching you how to make these cute little flowers, flower embellishments. Out of nothing but a little hot glue, some bling, and leis. You know, flower leis like you get around Aloha time in Hawaii. You take the leis apart and you use the flowers on the leis to make these little flowers. You can get leis anywhere. I usually get mine from the Dollar Tree or the Dollar Store, Dollar General, Family Dollar, and you just take them apart and use the flower petals on the leis to make these little flowers. So I'm going to show you today how to make these, and we'll get going. So come follow me down on the desktop and we'll get started. Okay, first up, you're going to need some cereal boxes or pop boxes or something, the cardboard from them. And you're going to need, if you're going to do smaller flowers, you need a 1-inch. You can use a scallop punch or you can use a circle punch. I use scallops because I don't have a 1-inch circle punch that works correctly. So I use scallop. You can use a scallop or a circle. As a matter of fact, you could use any shape really. I just need some type of a base to adhere the flower to. So I use scallop punches. You're doing the small flowers, you're going to need a 1-inch. If you're doing the bigger flowers, you're going to need a 1.5 because the one was not really that big enough on the one I did. So you're going to need a 1.5, maybe even a 2-inch might work, depending on how big the flower is, the petal. And you're going to need to cut out several of these little discs out of your pop box or your cereal box, or you know, just whatever box you have laying around. And you're going to need to cut those out and have those ready and standby. So I have those all cut out over here in the corner. Then you're going to need to take your leis and you're going to need to take them apart. Now, if you want to save the little straw pieces that are in between each of the little flower petals, you can do that. I don't know. I don't have any idea on hand to use those for right now, but you never know. You might be able to use them for a different project some other time, or you can just discard them. Same with the string. You want to use it for another project, that's fine too, or you can discard it. But what you're after is you're after the little flower petals, the petals and the leis. So you want to dissect your little flower leis, your luau leis, and get the flower petals. I have several types of colors and variations of flower petals. You can do any kind of petal. It can be 5 petal, it can be 10 petal, it can be 3 petal. It doesn't matter because you want the petals. So get that all together and get them sorted. And then you're going to need some type of bling. You can do flat back pearls, you can do flat back rhinestones, you can do these things here, like these. You can do some bigger ones, you can do some smaller ones here that I have, and you just drop some in here. You can do some smaller ones here that I have. You can do some clear ones. I have some clear ones over here. Colored, clear. You can do pearls. You can do bling mesh. You can do anything, any type of bling that you want to do for the middle of the flower. Okay, you're going to need a hot glue gun with some hot glue sticks. And I think that's about all you're going to need. If you want to put greenery in some of them, like I did with these 3 here, the greenery, you can do that. You don't have to. You can leave them plain like I did this one. You can leave it plain, that's fine. So it's whatever you want to do. So they're really easy to put together. I mean, this is so simplistic, you will crack yourself up. So what you do is you take 2 petals. You can stack them more on top of each other if you want a fuller flower, but it's not really not that necessary. You take your hot glue gun, put a dab of glue in the middle of one of the flower petals, stagger the other flower petal, and place it on top. Push it down so it's staggered. Put another dab of glue in the middle of that. Put your cardboard cutout. Now if you want to put greenery, now's the time that you do it. I'll put a little piece of greenery to show you. You put a little dab of glue on the cardboard, poke in your greenery so it sticks out past the flower. It sticks out past the flower. See? Turn it over. Select the color bling you want or whatever. I'm going to choose this one. Put hot glue in the center again. Put on your bling. And voila, you're done. That's simple. Now, if you want to go back in here and put some glitter glue on the petals or glue some glitter on it or whatever, you can do that if you'd like to. I usually don't because it takes so long to dry and it weighs the petals down and it doesn't look very organic that way. But you can if you want to. It's your decision. You can do it. But some of these flower petals like these have these glistening effect to them. They really don't need anything extra. So, yeah, it's that simple. Show you again. Take 2 petals, hot glue in the center, stagger your petals, tack it down, another bead of hot glue, put on your thing. I'm not going to put your thing on there. I'm not going to put greenery on this one. Flip it over. Another bead of hot glue. We'll go with the yellow one. Go with yellow heart. Put it on. And voila. Flower. That simple, that easy. Let's get this pretty purple one. Dot in the middle. Stagger the petals. I'll put that on backwards. There. Now it's forwards. Voila. Pretty, 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 pretty. Okay, we're going to speed this up, rapid fire through, get these all made up, and we'll have a look gander at them when we're done. So here we go, folks. And as you can plainly see, it takes no time at all to make these flowers. You can make up a bunch of them in no time flat. They're simple, they're easy, they're elegant, and you can have them in your stockpile for whenever you need flowers. They're really pretty, inexpensive, and easy to make. You can make them out of bunchfuls. The only thing is the annoying glue strands. I was struggling with those glue strands, people. That's the only problem. You can make these up and have them for any time you need. You can use them for scatter on tables, for festive occasions. You can use them on packages. You can use them on boxes. You can use them on tags. You can use them on envelopes. You can use them on cards. You can use them on anything. Decoration on a poster. We made all these today. In what? 15 minutes? Once we got everything going? 10 minutes? And there's so many colors of luau flowers that you can get. You can get a whole bunch of multicolors on one strand and make all different kinds of flowers. So, that's the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me today. I enjoyed spending time with you. It always brightens my day when I get to spend time with you guys. It makes me have to look forward to something. It makes me look forward to doing something. And I always enjoy spending time with you. You're my extended family. Why not? Have fun together making crafts. So, and hey, while you're at it, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Leave a link or leave a comment down below and let me know how you're doing. Let me know if I'm doing all right, and let me know what you're up to lately. Click the like button. Clicking the like button really helps my channel grow and supports me. Share the video on other social media outlets, and click the notification bell and click all so you know when I have a new video that's uploaded or when I go live. That really helps my channel as well. So supporting me is a really big deal for me. I'm not a very big channel at this time, and it helps me to grow and reach more people on YouTube and allows me to grow my audience. So if you would like to support me, that's the best way you can, by clicking the like button, subscribing, clicking the notification bells, and sharing my content on other social media outlets. That's the best way you can support me at this time. So I would really appreciate it if you take the time to do that, and thank you very much. And with all that being said, y'all have a wonderful night, and we'll catch you on the flip side.